It just looks so clean back there. I don't know what to do with myself. Okay. Welcome to the third video in your 5-minute morning series. And the theme of this one, I want to be practice makes perfect. I've been practicing for a long time. I didn't just come upon this. I didn't just all of a sudden become productive. After having my kids, I was just so exhausted. I wanted to lose some baby weight, and so I started watching YouTube videos about how to do that. the Virgin Diet was what I embarked on, and I learned about nutrition. And then I felt, okay, I could do that. And then YouTube kind of like steered me in more self-help directions. And I stumbled upon a video of this gal holding her coffee mug, and she was like very peaceful and sipping it. And it happened to be Dawn from the Minimal Mom. And so she talked all about decluttering. And so I started decluttering. And this was around the time when we had 2 kids all of a sudden. It seemed like all of a sudden. We got married and then we started having kids. So I started decluttering, and that took forever. I'm still doing it. Practicing reveals what I can do and what I'm good at. The very first thing I did when I woke up was the dishes, and I actually remembered to get a shot of them before. Establishing shot. It's day 3 of making videos for me, and you can tell by my hair and glasses and appearance that I've given up. I'm comfortable enough with all of the world now that I didn't try to look pretty. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna show you full dishwasher. Yay, we're gonna run that. And the empty sink. So satisfying. So it was intentional. The glasses and the haggard appearance. I wanted to show you that I will get ready later. That was the order of my morning. All on purpose. All for you guys. I do not brush my hair every day. If you brush your hair every day, I'm super happy for you. I do not. When I filmed the music room / guest room decluttering, it kind of worried me that I was moving stuff to just a different area of the house. Because I have this storage area in the hallway, and so I wanted to film how quickly it was for me to get rid of all of the stuff that was out of place in the storage hallway. It really didn't take long at all. The kids were playing. It was like 6 minutes. You'll see me struggle with what to do with this clear box, and then I just realized it was the same shape as my sewing machine, and there's enough room to leave it there.
Yeah, I already started it.
You already started?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I came home from the dentist, and my 2-year-old, all the things that I've been cleaning the past 3 days, my 2-year-old has sort of made a mess of. So I thought, well, we'll make a video and show you how we clean that up, because that's my 2-year-old. And my 5-year-old is helping me make the video, and we're gonna try to get everything that got messed up. This area, go ahead and do this area. This area is fine, so just show all this. This is how it normally looks. We'll have to get to that another day. It's kind of the mud room. This area is fine. And this is actually the area that I already organized today, so it's still good. All right. Now we're gonna start to see some of the havoc. There's the kids' room. Okay. She was into the bathroom, Daddy said. This is our bedroom where she was watching TV. Let's get to the real problems. Okay, so the music office here. And then go ahead and show the kitchen. So she got the Play-Doh stuff out, the table, toys, and all. I think this is not her fault. I think this is someone else's fault who might be filming this video. Oh, but there's the Play-Doh thing. Okay? So it's not always spick and span, and it's just in the afternoon, early afternoon. So see what we can get done. You're right. It's up here.
Oh. Wait, it was
E, C sharp, D.
oh.
Yeah, are you looking where I'm looking? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. That was about 8 minutes after I went and took this stuff to another room. I closed the closet, pro tip, and you can see like just this. I know it's really bright in here, sorry, but hopefully I'll get a good shot of that corner too. And it just looks much better. Let's go. Let's see how much I get done. Oh no, it fell down. And that took 4.5 minutes to get done. As you see from the videos, it just takes one less than an hour trip to the dentist and the house is in shambles again. So, but I was able to take a deep breath and put it back together. I try not to freak out anymore because I've been practicing. It's a stupid thing to have to practice cleaning, but when you have to, you have to. The theme of this is also practice makes not perfect, because I'm not perfect, and I want this reality YouTube channel to be real. I don't want to clean it up for you guys. I don't want to put on more makeup than I have to. I don't want to. This shirt it's got, you know, kid food and me food all over. I'm still a mess, but I know how to clean up now. And that's covering ground. That's making headway. And so that's how I knew I could learn some stuff about SEO. And yeah, it sucks that I don't have other people that can help me with this. Money's really tight right now. Is money tight for you? So I wanted to tell you that you could do it too. If you can afford someone to help you with SEO, go to the net, go find a way for you to do it yourself. If you can't afford a house cleaner, clean your house yourself. And you can't do everything all at once. And when you focus on one thing, something else is probably going to go, you know, to the dogs. But you can fix that tomorrow. And it's all part of who we're growing to be. I want to be good at my job. I also really, really want to be a good mom. That's more important to me, to be honest. And when my kids have a clean room to play in, that's so much better for them. And it makes me feel like I succeeded. I love winning. So if these videos have helped you feel like you can achieve something, yay, great, that was so the point. And if they've made you feel like, how is she doing all of that? I can never do all that. Oh my gosh, you don't know me. I am a big fat mess. I can't even say big fat mess correctly the first time. I'm not gonna edit that. You have to know that this is doable for you. I'm not anybody special. I'm not good at stuff. I'm just learning exactly the same as you would be learning from the very beginning. So if you're at the beginning of your journey, whether it's any type of mom journey, whatever you want to be as a mom, please like, subscribe, whatever else you do on YouTube. But I am part of this community now. I want to be part of your community too. I want to help. So I'm excited. I'm excited about all this stuff. Actually doing this video and starting this channel has really kept my house clean this week. I have motivation. And when I came home from the dentist and it was a mess and I was like, normally I would be like, ugh, again? Like, but I said, okay, well, let's film it. And so I asked my 5-year-old, and that was a togetherness moment for us too. I didn't have to feel guilty that I didn't want to play Batman figurines for the 89th time with him. I could say, hey, do you want to help me with this cool thing? And he was so cute about it. So this has helped me so much. You have helped me so much. Delivering this to you, editing this for you, making this for you has helped me so much. So let's keep going together, okay? For real? Yes? Okay. Yay! I'm so excited. Thank you for watching. Bye.